Welcome to the Extreme Web Designs. This is Rocky. In this video, we'll see how to schedule a YouTube video upload. Here is what is covered in this video. We will actually upload a video to see how scheduling works, and then if the scheduling option is not available or grayed out, we will try a couple of troubleshooting techniques to fix the issue. Now let's get started with scheduling a video by uploading a real video. So log into your YouTube account and then click on the upload icon in the nav bar. And here, look at the settings available. These are the privacy settings. Just click on the drop down and you'll see 4 options. They are public, unlisted, private, and scheduled. You always want to select the scheduled option if you ever want to schedule a video. Note that if you ever select privacy setting as public and then upload a video, you will no longer be able to schedule the video. That's how it works. So just make sure that you never select the public as a privacy setting. So let's see how to schedule a video. Simply select the scheduled option from the privacy setting drop down and upload your video. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop my video, and note that I now have the schedule option available and the date and the timings are listed here, which I can select from. So let me go ahead and make some changes to my video. Alright, so I would like my video to be posted on Jan the 28th, which is tomorrow, and at 3:30 p.m. So I'm going to select the timing from within this drop down, and I'm going to leave this setting. So if you would like to schedule the video to post in another time zone, you can change that option by selecting from one of these drop down options available over here. So let's say you want to post it at a New York time. You can select the GMT-5 option over here and let it highlight the New York option, and then make sure that you fill all the required information such as the video title, description, tags, and add it to the playlist as you see fit. Upload a custom thumbnail if you need to. Once you're done, hit the publish button over here so that the video will be published on the date that's being shown over here. So that's how you schedule a video. So now let's go ahead and publish the video. Let's see what happens. Alright, so as we can see here on the screen, it says that the video will be published on Saturday, Jan 20th. So this means that we have successfully scheduled our video to be published on January 20th. That's how easy it is to publish a video by means of scheduling. Apart from the confirmation that is shown on the screen, there is one more place wherein we can actually go and verify if our scheduling process is in place and if our video is scheduled for a future release or not. That section is the Video Manager section. To visit it, simply right click on the Video Manager link and open it in a new tab, and that will take us to the Video Manager section, which lists all our videos. And as we can see here, the scheduled information is available against the video. My video is scheduled to go live on January 20th, and we can see the status as scheduled. So this is how we can make sure that our video and the scheduling process is in place and that we haven't missed out anything. To access this page, you can visit the Video Manager section, and more specifically the video section. So now let's see why the schedule option may be unavailable for your account. The first one is that the schedule option may show up, but it may show up as grayed out or unselectable. The second way in which it may be unavailable is that it will not show up at all. So the common reason why you may not be able to see the schedule option or why it appears grayed out is that the video was probably published. So make sure that you never ever publish a video to make sure that you're able to schedule it. That's just how it works. So whenever you're trying to publish a video, just make sure that you select the privacy setting as scheduled and you're good to go. So let's move on to the second reason why scheduling option may not be available. The reason is that you probably may not have monetization enabled for the channel. If you have not done this yet, it's very easy to do so. Let's see how to go about that. Okay, simply log in into your YouTube account and click on the channel option in this left sidebar, and in the list of options that show up, click on the monetization option. So everything is working fine in my case. But if you have not enabled monetization, you probably will see a blue button that says enable monetization. All you have to do is just click on the blue button, and then it will launch a pop-up. It will say, please agree to the terms and conditions of monetization. So please make sure that you read through all of that stuff and agree to the terms, and then proceed with agreeing to the monetization. And as soon as you monetize, just simply refresh your page and then click on the upload button. And then once you arrive in this section, just simply click on the privacy drop down and you should be able to see the scheduled option. So those are the two ways by which you can get around the problem of the scheduling option not being enabled for your account. If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure to tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.